name is Jean-Luc. I'm from France and I've been living in China, especially in Hong Kong, for a few years. And I've been raised on the seaside in France, and I always miss my seafood culture and especially the oysters. So I was very surprised when a friend of mine told me that the Cantonese culture have more than 1,000 years history of oyster farming. That's why we came here today, to experience the life of sea farmers and to try the delicacies. Hey, 明哥，早晨。
哎呀，好高興今日嘅做到你啊！我哋好長去睇睇我哋個河嗰個生長嘅情況。你有冇時間
Inga is an amazing guy. He's been working in this industry for 30 years and he's still very active. He has a huge field of oysters in the sea and it was really an amazing experience to meet him and to follow him through all the journey.
看一下这边呢，就是养蚝苗的佛牌，放在那个竹排这里的钓养，在这里要养1年左右，然后再搬到育肥区。阿飞，我们换工作服，到蚝牌里面看一下那个蚝。我们现在就把这个蚝苗放到我们这个生长区，1年时间就长得这么大了，1年的时间，现在是第2年的过程。我们现在把它这样搬到这个蚝牌这里去。你下来看一下那个蚝，看怎么样？你小心一点。
It's pretty crazy because I'm sitting on a bamboo.
不稳的就站起来嘛，这样坐起来搞吗？放松一点。
这样好。
是啊。
They were trying to actually tidy up the necklace of oysters that they put deep in the sea for them to grow. Because this is the tricky part, you don't want to lose the oysters.
他们可以帮1万多块这个蚝
1万，
对，1天的时间，哇，是不容易的。
应该是。
你们2个开始比赛，下去把蚝。
先坐一下。
阿飞，你要加把劲啊，不如那个美女绑得快啊。好了，停了，点一下你的数了。你绑了2条，他绑了16条是。
These ladies are professionals. 10,000 is really a big number for one person, even though they're hard work, because it's really painful to be in the sun for the whole day. Can you imagine when they do this in the summer? It must be terrible.
老哥，响豆机过来。
这是你的那个。
那这个海水的响度计，它是测量那个海水那个响度。这边的海水是15度
，15度。
这个水的偏香了一点了我看一下那个蚝现在生长的怎么样个体又不是很大。这个幼苗的生长区呢，最合适的还是10度左右。
我在法国南部也有20度的水，它也有这种的不一样的，也可以养好。
每个地方这个品种不一样的，就是适合它生长。这里的养殖区呢，的养蚝的方法呢，又跟这边不一样。
是那个生蚝，你是从那边
运过来这边，搬过来这边就育肥。对，很远的，又开到这里来，又开3个小时。这里的面积10多万亩，每年的产值也达到几个亿。
All the way down, it's all belong to that company. It's huge.
And I found out that this carry is actually super difficult because there's so many uncertainties. From a baby oyster into an oyster that you can farm and harvest takes at least 3 years, between 3 to 5 years. And between these 3 years, so many things can happen. And you could actually lost all your investment that you put in the oyster farming. So this is really something that is difficult and that needs vision and that needs strategy.
我们现在呢，就是从海上这个蚝牌捞上来，那个蚝，看我们平时是怎么样打捞起来的。
行，
你来试一下你就把这个
怎么弄？
我帮你对，这个把这个蚝勾起来，这个绳跟我们。不用急把它勾上来。对，顺利。我帮你这样拿下来。来，搞一串，好，称一下，感觉一下有多重。
哇，很重。 Yeah.
呀，很重啊
20公斤啊
，20公斤啊，有啊。
Super heavy.
对。
I'm doing my exercise of the day. So heavy. Oh, I think this one is 40 kg. Sure. Wow. They're doing this the whole day. I don't know how they can do it. Good job.
This truck is going to Shajing for a grand festival that is happening, and Minke asked me to practice my opening of oysters because I think he has prepared a special invitation for me. This afternoon when we went to the Golden Oyster Festival, it's really impressive to see that small family business started in a village has developed into a business and big company, obviously, for the whole village of Shajing.
比赛正式开始。
Well, that's really fun. I want to be part of it. And I have my secret knife. Let's wear the gloves.
The competition today was really funny.
It's actually pretty easy, you know.
And then I brought my French knife and I was trying to show her how we do it in France.
Actually, this is a different way.
你们这样子开，我们是这个好懂。
对，我们不一样的，我们从上面开的，我们换一个，我给你这个。I'm learning the Chinese way.
Their tool is actually, it's like a hammer. Dig it into the oyster to open it, and the other side is to break the rock, because actually the clunch of oysters is like a big rock. It's good, she keeps the tradition, and it's very effective because I think after 20 minutes they had like 20 kg of oyster meat. Wow, there's so many. Why do they dry it like this?
It's the first time I see a dried oyster.
这个颜色很漂亮的. It's like an amber.
这个好，已经晒过5天了。你再看一下这个。
好。
这个已经晒过了15天了。这个是我们几百年来流传下来的工艺。
这颜色不一样的。我来试一下。
哇，
有点重的。
放出来，放到这边晒。
放到这里。你们呢？应该很忙做这个事情。Yeah, actually, those oysters are quite fat. So you can see there's some oil coming out of the oyster when you dry it. And this is very practical because it's dry, so I can bring it back to France.
专门做好
大的其实。
哎，是。
有2层的，我觉得。
我们不单是养好，我们还做好、晒好。现在做好了烹调这个美食。今天呢，我做的这道菜呢，就是我们沙井蚝几百年的做法，就是姜葱炒蚝。
我要体验一下你们的传统文化，所以我来用这个调料做一个中西结合的菜。我们先开始。The oysters have long been actually a luxury product in France because Paris, which is very far from the sea, where here in China it's like daily foods shared by a number of people.
我再做几道菜给你试一下，就是用这个开水白灼它。
We did this kind of cultural cooking exchange with Minko. There was a new way that I learned of eating oysters.
哇，那我今天体验了整个养蚝的过程，我觉得非常棒的。对，很有兴趣。你们这边缺不缺人呢？因为我很有兴趣在做一个蚝民。
这几天就是我感觉到你的对这个蚝非常有这个很浓厚的兴趣。我们沙井人民非常欢迎你，要多点来沙井。
谢谢谢谢。
I would definitely share this trip to my friends. You learn so much. Just one day you see everything, the production of the oyster, and it's really a difficult job physically. So when we were at sea and seeing all these huge fields, I think it's a huge economy for the whole village here of Shajing, probably Shenzhen as well. It's very interesting to see this from the smaller level of farming into what can be a global business.